After years of hard work, sleepless nights, and relentless dedication, you have earned the title of Doctor. It is more than a degree, it is a calling, a commitment to service, and a promise to humanity. It's my immense pleasure to be nominated today to preside over the convocation on behalf of the worthy Governor of Punjab, Chancellor NMU. I am also honored to be a part of this celebration as Vice Chancellor NMU. Today our university is a leading institution in medical education, research and healthcare, committed to producing highly skilled and compassionate healthcare professionals. I would like to share with you that Nishtar Medical University has introduced integrated modular curriculum in MBBS to keep pace with the modern medical teaching. It has passed out this year, and next year inshallah our first batch of MBBS will pass out. We have also started new degree programs this year like Doctor of Pharmacy and Doctor of Physiotherapy. We have also introduced students in diploma programs in 9 different specialties this year. We are offering BSN, Post-RN and MSN and specialized diplomas in 4 different specialties. Our university is going to start our own MD and MS programs, and it is in the process of accreditation by the PMDC and will be started soon. And I'm extremely thankful to the Vice Chancellor and the Pro Vice Chancellor UHS for registration of our students in MD/MS programs till the start of these programs by the NMU. Thank you very much, Dr. Nadia. We are providing the training opportunities to FCPS Level 3 trainees and now also in 8 different specialties in Level 4 super specialty programs. This year we have also got accreditation for our HND program from NIAC. Now, just to share with you, various developmental projects are under progress in NMU, like Nishtar 2 Hospital Multan, which is a state-of-the-art 500-bedded tertiary referral hospital. It is fully functional now. There is establishment of building of College of Allied Health Sciences NMU. The construction of Cancer Center building is also in progress. It is a 5-story building. The PET scan and cyclotron is also in the process of installation in Nishtar, and it is for the first time in any public sector hospital of South Punjab that PET CT and cyclotron is being installed. Now, establishment of Mother and Child Health Hospital at Gala Godam Multan, which is a 200-bedded hospital, which will provide services to the gynecological and obstetric patients as well as the pediatric patients. Then establishment of Institute of Ophthalmology and Allied Visual Sciences. Now there is also revamping of various wards of the Nishtar hospital which is going on. Also the emergency ward revamping, the labor ward, the outpatient department, ICU, HTU, pediatric emergency, PICU, and various basements work is almost near to completion. Now I would like to mention the contribution of various Nishtar alumni in various projects of Nishtar like various teaching sessions, physical and online, hands-on training sessions and various donations in the form of equipment and training in the urology department, ENT department, eye department with cornea replacements in the patients with blindness, the neurosurgery department and gastroenterology departments. The plantation campaign is also underway, including development of fruit garden at NMU with alumni support. We have also established a Nishtar emergency for blood transfusion to the patients who are adult thalassemia patients and now they are surviving. Then our future projects include a proper university campus, a dedicated parking plaza, residential tower for doctors, extension of NMU after shifting of district jail, ICU extension, installation of lift in the university campus for handicapped students, and revamping of the hostels and college campus. My dear graduates, as you embark upon this new chapter in your journey, I would like to remind you that the medical profession requires dedication, empathy, and a deep commitment to serving humanity. As healthcare professionals, you will be entrusted with the responsibility of caring for the sick, alleviating suffering, and promoting health and well-being of your patients. In a world where healthcare is becoming increasingly complex, we need professionals like you who are equipped with the knowledge, skills, and attitude to make a positive and lasting impact. I have no doubt that class of N67 and N68 will excel in their chosen fields and bring credit to our institution. Remember, it is not just about treating the physical aspects of illness, but also about caring for the emotional, social, and spiritual well-being of your patient. You must know that compassion is the key to healing. In conclusion, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you on this memorable occasion. I am proud of your achievements, and I have no doubt that your future holds great accomplishments. As you embark on this new journey, remember that Nishda Medical University will always be your home, and we will proudly stand by you as you shape the world with your vision, passion, and purpose. Thank you all.